Hi. Today we're going to tell you how to get your Merchant Center unsuspended. We'll also help you in getting Merchant Center account unsuspended in case you violate any policy. Let's get started. The best part is, as Google maintains very strict enforcement mechanisms for ensuring accurate product information, customers also find these products reliable. Therefore, you need to abide by Google's policies for preventing any account suspension. Otherwise, things may become bitter for you as violating policies can adversely affect your online business. How to get your Merchant Center account unsuspended. Always ensure that you don't have a bad refund policy for your products, unsecured URLs, prohibited content like counterfeit goods, dangerous products, and products enabling dishonest behavior, unsupported shopping ads content, and other prohibited practices. Even after maintaining your data feed and product line carefully in sync with these policies, if you get your account suspended by Google, then you can do the following steps to get Merchant Center account unsuspended. Review your account. Review all your data feed errors in your account and check what all violations have taken place. Resolve all data feed and policy-violating errors in your account. After understanding what sort of violations have occurred in your account, ensure that you fix all data feed errors and policy-violating content and make them in compliance with the policy. Submit your account for the review. After this review is completed, you will receive an email notification about the status of your account within a week. Even a small mistake from your end can trigger an account suspension, therefore try to settle the things off within the warning period itself. In any case, you lose your account temporarily, don't worry, you just need to follow the above steps and get back to business conveniently. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.